everybody, this is Mrs. Smith, and I thought that today I could show you a science experiment that you might want to try at home. So I was thinking today about how it's April and it's raining so much right now, and I thought you might wonder what makes it rain outside. So here's what you're going to need for your science experiment. A glass of water. It needs to be a clear glass. Might be better if it's plastic, but my only option was glass. You need some shaving cream, the kind that gets very foamy, and some food coloring. Any color you want will work just fine. So this glass of water is actually going to represent the air. Okay, so I've got Harry Potter here just standing with the air around him. Okay, but around him there's also some water. Maybe he lives by an ocean, or maybe there's a river nearby, or maybe it's just the dew on the grass around him in the morning. Okay, and the sun is heating up all of that water that's around him. And when that happens, the water turns into water vapor, which we can't see. Okay, the water vapor floats up and goes up, up, up into the atmosphere and gathers into things that we can see, clouds. Okay, so we're gonna make our cloud with our shaving cream, okay? So put your cloud right on top of your water. It doesn't have to be huge, okay? In fact, if you keep it a little shorter, this experiment will work better the first time, okay? And that cloud will just keep floating by in the sky as long as we let it. But it's also gathering more water, okay? And as it gathers more water, it's getting heavier. And we're gonna model that with our food coloring. So here's our cloud floating by, and our food coloring is making that cloud heavier and heavier. And as it gets heavier, once it gets heavy enough, there we go, it finally starts to rain. Okay, and maybe, depending on the temperature, maybe it doesn't rain at all. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's snow. Sometimes it might even be hail or sleet, okay? You can try this with as many colors as you want, or try making the cloud bigger or smaller to see what happens. Go ahead and mix it up and see what kind of different results you get. Make sure you're careful when you're dumping this out in the sink. Try not to make a mess. Have fun, everybody.